If you're a real estate agent and you've recently Googled, "Can ChatGPT take my job?" First of all, breathe. Second of all, maybe don't Google that before bed. Because yes, AI is changing residential real estate. No, it's not showing houses in heels on a Sunday. But it is quietly rearranging the entire brokerage business. And today we're talking about who wins, who loses, and why your next listing appointment might involve a robot that doesn't even wear a blazer. If you're new here, welcome. I break down what's actually happening in real estate, minus the fluff, minus the fake Lamborghinis. If you like honest insight, mild sarcasm, and occasionally hurt feelings, hit subscribe. Let's get into it. Part 1. The real fear. Commissions. Let's just say the quiet part out loud. AI makes people ask, why am I paying 5% when a robot just wrote my listing description in 3 seconds? And it's a fair question, because AI can now write listing descriptions, generate CMAs, analyze comps, predict pricing, draft contracts, follow up with leads at 2:17 a.m., and sound polite doing it. Meanwhile, agents are like, sorry for the delay, I was at showings. The real threat isn't that AI replaces agents. It's that it shrinks the perceived value gap. If everything looks automated and easy, consumers start wondering what they're paying for. And once consumers start wondering, margins start sweating. Part 2. The 28-year-old with AI is dangerous. Here's the scary part. AI doesn't eliminate agents. It creates super agents. That brand new agent with zero experience, with AI they now look polished, produce beautiful market reports, auto follow up instantly, and create marketing that looks like a luxury brand. Respond faster than you ever could. AI is like giving every rookie agent a team of 12 assistants who never ask for health insurance. That changes competition, because now it's not who has more experience, it's who uses tools better. And that levels the playing field in a way that's uncomfortable. Part 3. The portal plot twist. Let's talk about the real power players. The portals already own the traffic, the search behavior, the home data, the consumer eyeballs. Now imagine them adding AI. Hi buyer, based on your budget, commute, dog breed, and recent breakup, here are 7 homes and a mortgage pre-approval. If the platform suggests pricing, suggests negotiation strategy, connects mortgage plus insurance, handles document automation, where does the agent sit? If you don't control the data layer, you don't control the leverage. That's the quiet shift happening. Part 4. Low-end transactions, most exposed. Let's be honest. A $275,000 cookie-cutter suburban resale, that transaction is highly repeatable. AI can price it, market it, suggest negotiation moves, predict appraisal outcomes, automate half the paperwork. That's where fee pressure shows up first. But luxury, divorce, estate sales, complex personalities, nervous first-time buyers, AI doesn't sit at a kitchen table and say, it's okay, this is normal, you're not crazy. Human psychology still matters, for now. Part 5. The productivity explosion. Here's what's really happening. One agent today with AI can do the work of 3 agents 5 years ago. CRM automation, email writing, text responses, market analysis, social content, ad copy, listing prep, follow-up sequencing, and it never complains. So what happens? Fewer agents survive. The good ones get stronger, the average ones get squeezed. This isn't extinction, it's evolution, and evolution is rude. Part 6. The commission conversation is changing. AI allows unbundling. Instead of full service 6%, we may see pricing only consulting, negotiation only packages, flat fee listing marketing, hybrid AI plus human services. Consumers are getting smarter. Transparency is rising. When information becomes abundant, trust becomes the premium. Not access, not the MLS, trust. Part 7. What AI cannot do yet. AI cannot smell mold at a showing. Detect when a buyer's "I'm fine" means "I'm panicking." negotiate ego, manage divorce tension, read subtle human dynamics, convince a seller they overpriced their house without causing a family argument. Residential real estate is emotional. That's the moat. But everything around that moat is getting automated. Part 8, the big question. The real question isn't, will AI replace agents? It's, if AI makes buying and selling easier, faster, and more transparent, how much human help will people still pay for? That's where this industry is heading, and pretending it's not happening is the fastest way to become obsolete. Here's the bottom line. AI will raise productivity, increase competition, pressure commissions, empower platforms, reward skilled negotiators, eliminate lazy agents. It won't kill residential real estate, but it will permanently change who wins. And if you're in this business, you better become the agent AI can't replace. If this hit a nerve, good, hit like. Drop a comment. Do you think AI will lower commissions or just make top agents unstoppable? And if you're serious about understanding where this market is going, subscribe. Because the future of brokerage, it's not coming, it's already here. See you in the next one.